Welcome to the kitchen. We're making a dish that hits that perfect sweet spot between comfort food and dinner party impressive. Think juicy, spiced meatballs, koftas, paired with a bright, earthy sauce and fluffy rice. Here is your chef's guide to pulling this off. Bouncer 1. The turmeric tahini sauce. Make this first. It needs a few minutes for the flavors to meld, and it's much better served at room temperature than cold from the fridge. Ingredient amount: tahini 1 or 2 cup. Stir well before measuring. Lemon juice, large lemon, juiced. Turmeric 112, TSP garlic 1 clove, grated finely. Warm water 3s5 tbsp to reach desired consistency. Salt to taste. Chef's tip: don't panic when the tahini seizes, turns thick and grainy as you add the lemon juice. Keep whisking in warm water a tablespoon at a time until it turns silky and pourable. 2. The koftas. You want these to be deeply browned on the outside but tender inside. The mix: combine 500 GE ground lamb or beef, or a 50-50 mix, with 1 small grated onion, a handful of chopped parsley, 1 TSP cumin, 1 TSP coriander, and a pinch of cinnamon. The secret: add 2 tbsp of ice-cold water to the meat mixture. This creates steam inside the kofta as it cooks, keeping it juicy. The shape: roll into 12 to 15 oblong logs or small balls. The sear: pan fry in a heavy skillet over medium-high heat for about 8 to 10 minutes, turning often until they have a dark, crusty exterior. 3. Long grain rice and peas. Simple doesn't mean boring. We're going for distinct, fluffy grains. Rinse. Wash 1 cup of long grain rice, like basmati, until the water runs clear. This removes surface starch so the rice doesn't get gummy. Sauté. Melt a knob of butter or oil in a pot. Toast the rice for 1 minute before adding water. Simmer. Add 1.5 cups of water and a pinch of salt. Bring to a boil, then drop to the lowest heat and cover tightly. The peas. 3 minutes before the rice is done, lift the lid, dump 1 cup of frozen peas on top, and quickly replace the lid. Don't stir. Let the steam finish the rice and cook the peas simultaneously. Fluff. After 15 minutes of total cooking, turn off the heat. Let it sit for 5 minutes, then fluff with a fork to mix the peas through. 4. The assembly spoon. A generous bed of the rice and peas onto the plate. Nestle 3-4 koftas on top. Drizzle the turmeric tahini over the meat. Garnish. A sprinkle of toasted pine nuts or fresh mint makes this look like it came from a professional kitchen. Pro tip: if your koftas feel a bit lean, add a tablespoon of olive oil to the meat mix before shaping to ensure they don't dry out. And cucumber salad, made easy.